Skipper!
Hello, buddy! Look over there, Gilligan! Signs of civilization, we're saved! Oh yeah, that's a nice little activity center. Very beautiful out here. Flathead River, Montana. Here in Paul's 1971 with a Mercury 165 horse motor blurbing away back there. And mountains in the distance. Nice formations.
I like that.
Wild Horse Island. What spooky horses wait for Scoob and his gang here? Just sit right back and you'll hear the tale of the castaways. They ran their boat right into the shore, 'cause Paul was a lousy driver. No, I think he did it on purpose.
You were on an island.
Wow, beautiful day out here. The rocks are very, very diverse. Lots of colors going on there. So here we are on, what is it, Wild Horse Island. Here, yeah. Started. Hey, Bob Weigel here. We're going to demonstrate some of the fine rocks down here at what is this place called?
Wild Horse.
Wild Horse, that's right. Okay.
Okay, here he goes. Oh my God! Look at that. Woo!
I mean, we are talking the flat rocks of all
The Flathead Lake. That's why they called it Flathead. Flat rocks. Flat rocks. Whoa! Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh well, two skippers.
Here's a nice shit.
Has it timed out yet, or does it keep going?
No, just keep.
Alrighty, alright. Okay, Bob. Where is it? Where is it? I don't see it.
Way out there.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Now these are some prime skippers.
We have,
buddy!
let's get a shot at it.
Skipper!
Oh my God! Did you see that?
Yes, sir. Yeah, this is some fun skipping territory. Some of these are really beautiful rocks. You hate to throw them out there in the middle where nobody will ever see them again.
Well, they'll come back.
But they'll eventually come back. Well, that looks like a nice. This is actually a round-shaped one.
Oh.
That just went straight up and came down. They skipped too high on the first bounce. It's a bad thing. It means they hit the wrong wave. But sometimes you can get one. See how you put a lot of spin on it, and it just tends to keep going a lot further if you can get the thing actually rotating.
Man,
anyway,
I'm impressed.
Water skipping demonstration here at Horsehawk Lake.
Horsehawk Lake.
No, Flathead Lake.
Flathead Lake.
Wild Horse. Yeah. Anyway. There's a sailboat. All right. We're pretty much at the top here. There's Paul victoriously having gone 900 feet or whatever above level of the water with me, and let's look around. You can see the glacier. Where is it? The glacier is out of sight. Let's go zoom in on the glacier here if we can find it. Where's that glacier, Paul? Do you see it?
Well, look right here.
I don't know. There you go. That would be the glacier. Now we're talking. We're almost to the top here of Wild Horse Island, and you get a nice view out towards Polson there. You can actually see Polson. You can see the marina and Paul's house if you have really good vision. Actually, what am I doing? I need to take a close-up of Polson. Yeah, there we go. Should be able to see that by the time we get this on the big screen. It doesn't show up so well on the small screen. Beautiful. There's Bambi. Hey, Bambi. Wow. Guys, hello. Thanks for sticking around. Noisy underbrush. They are down the trail. Where they went, I do not know. Did they go over there? Did they dive over there? Oh, they're there. Oh, there's a whole bunch of them. Hi, guys. Wow, it's a whole herd. We found the herd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them, at least. Huh. Cool. Yeah, that's no wild horses, but at least some semi-wild deer. Wow, look at it up here. It's just beautiful. It goes just down, down, down there. That won't be the path we take home. And yeah, again, looking over towards some more of the inlets here. There's Paul up on top. Alright. So let's zoom in on this place and see what details we can see. And now back towards the east shore here. I think we came from over there. Okay, which one is the height here? Is it that one or that one? I cannot tell. One of them is taller, but we are at the peak here of Wild Horses Island. Yeah, I'm gonna get that right yet. Here's some of the vegetation we found on the trip here. Just one little patch that had some decent sized mushrooms. These little tiny fellas. Kinda interesting looking things. And yeah, found that down here on this beach actually. Alrighty, compass is pointed and we're ready to depart here from Wild Horses Island. The wild horses did not manage to track us down, and we've since given up hope that there perhaps are any wild horses here, but that's what it's called anyway. Alright,